Hello everyone. Recently I have built one solution to generate the step definitions. So by hearing the word step definitions, we know that this is associated with the behavior driven development. In the automation we have the behavior driven development. Mainly we will prepare the feature files. After that the automation engineers will convert into the step definitions, and that will be used in our automation scripts, right? So here I am giving a solution like initially, before creating the step definitions, our ultimate goal is to create this step definition anyway, but before that I want to showcase like how the feature files can be created from the requirement. Okay, so here you can see there are two options, like one is the generate feature files from the requirement, and we have the generate step definitions from the features. So first of all, I am going to showcase the requirement, summary requirement. Here I have some shopping cart item and all. So I am just pasting that requirement in this edit box here. So this is the plain English requirement I have added, and you can give your feature file name, for example shopping. So just hit on the generate feature file. What this is doing like is will create the feature file. Okay, with the help of AI. It will create the feature file. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, and now you can see the feature file is automatically generated. Okay, this is for shopping cart item, that is a feature, and we have the background. It will create multiple scenarios, okay, regarding your requirement. This is your simple requirement given with the three acceptance criteria, and it's created different combinations of the scenarios with the positive, negative, and the edge cases, including the data table. All the information is captured. Okay, so let's go to the generate step definitions from the features, and here you can see these are feature files I just created previously, and this is the new feature file is created from here. So here you can review that in the same screen, and so in this demo I am going to select my old feature file that have only one scenario. Okay, so that is again a shipping address entry feature, and this is the scenario we have here. And the good advantage is like you can choose the programming language, whether it is a Java or Python or JavaScript or C#, that doesn't matter. Okay, so you can choose your automation framework as well. For now it supports Selenium and Playwright. Okay, so and what you need the feature file, right? So creating the step definitions, first we did like we prepare the feature files from the requirement. Okay, so now we are going to create the step definitions from the feature files. Okay, you can choose any programming language. Here I am selecting C#. Okay, so I am selecting the programming language as a Playwright, the framework as a Playwright, and just hit on the generate step definition. Now you can see that is actually creating the steps. Okay, for each and every steps in your feature files, this will convert into step definitions. Okay, finally you will get a consolidated result with a C# code. Okay, so that's what we chosen here. The programming language is C# and your framework is Playwright. Okay, so that is up to our requirement, which programming language we are using for our automation, and also which framework we are using for that. And now all set. Here you can see this is we are using a Playwright, and also we are using a SpecFlow. SpecFlow library or package will help in the C# for doing the behavior driven development, right? So and for SpecFlow we have different annotations as well. Okay, so now you can see that given the background is will create the session. Okay, using the Playwright, and to create that, and after that these are different steps. Okay, when I enter a valid street address, it will create some script as well. You can see that it is entering the value, and you can see enter city. Yeah, this can enter the city, and also here we have different scenario for enter a valid state, zip code, and also there is a click action on the. These are different steps are associated with the particular feature file. These are created as one C# file. So now you can download the C# file, and you can review the code as well. Okay, so this is the one-stop solution. Here when you have the requirement, when you have a plain English requirement, you can create a step definitions also.